Welcome to the Belly Up Bar. Today we're going to make a drink called the Colorado RUMDOG. This is very similar to a Bulldog, but based on rum instead, and I think it is actually better. So we'll start building it. Calls for 2 SelvaRey white. This is my choice of rum. Other rums may work, but then it's up to you to figure it out. And 1 SelvaRey cacao, which is a chocolate. Okay. And a half a Kahlua. This is rum liqueur. Everybody knows what this is. Half of that. All right, and then 1 heavy cream. And 2 Coca Cola. I'm going to use regular Coke. You can also use Diet Coke if you want to keep the carbs near 0. But before we add the Coke, you'll want to stir it. Do a good mix. Okay, then I'm going to add the ice. I've got my drink glass cooling here with ice in it. Stir that. Cool it off. You don't want to stir with the Coke because it will start foaming. Okay, then add the Coke. And just give it some light stirs. All right. And then we're going to put that into our preferred cup. And then add a straw. And there you have it. This is a Colorado RUMDOG. Pretty sure you're going to like it. This is what it looks like from basically SelvaRey rums. Other rums might work. I like these. Thanks for watching, and please press like if you do.